Good morning, everyone, and happy Monday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here, and happy Halloween. This morning, we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and what's ahead for the week, and we'll see which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Don't forget to download the TipRanks mobile app to access your favorite research tools on the go. Links will be in the description down below. I'm also so sorry for missing Friday. I had a cold last week that was really kicking my butt, and I finally started to feel human again yesterday. I hate to miss a morning show, but I appreciate you guys understanding, and I'm on the mend now. So let's get right back into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are in the red this morning. Currently, Dow futures are down 0.28%, S&P 500 futures down 0.34%, and NASDAQ futures down 0.49%. Shares of Argo blockchain are plummeting in the pre-market this morning, currently down 39% as liquidity concerns rise. The cryptocurrency mining firm had previously signed a non-binding LOI with a strategic investor to raise about £24 million, but they're no longer expecting their planned fundraising to be consummated. Argo is now exploring other finance opportunities, but there can be no assurance that an agreement will be reached, and if unsuccessful, they would become cash flow negative in the near term and could possibly need to curtail or cease operations. Analysts currently rate them a moderate buy, with the most recent rating coming in as a hold. Ford has cut prices of its Mustang Mach-E in China. They've slashed prices by as much as 28,000 RMB. The U.S. automobile major offers the Mustang Mach-E in 4 different versions, with prices ranging from 275,000 RMB to 389,000. These price cuts follow Tesla's price cuts in China last week. Analysts currently rate the Ford stock a moderate buy, with an average upside of 29%. And after Elon Musk's successful takeover of Twitter last week, General Motors said they'd be temporarily suspending advertisement on the platform. They stated that we are engaging with Twitter to understand the direction of the platform under their new ownership. As is normal course of business with a significant change in a media platform, we have temporarily paused our paid advertising. Our customer care interactions on Twitter will continue. Analysts currently rate the General Motors stock a moderate buy, with an average upside of 23%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. We have another busy week of earnings ahead, with several big names reporting. In the after hours today, we'll be hearing from NXP Semiconductors, Avis Budget Group, and Goodyear Tire. On Tuesday, we'll be hearing from Airbnb, AMD, Marathon Oil, Uber, and Pfizer. And Wednesday is busy, as we'll be hearing from CVS Health, eBay, Qualcomm, ConocoPhillips, Moderna, PayPal, Starbucks, and Warner Brothers Discovery. In the pre-market this morning, we heard from Global Payments. Their earnings were in line with expectations, and they reaffirmed their future outlook. They reported earnings per share of $2.48, meeting expectations, and revenue of $2.28 billion was up 3.6% year-over-year and $240 million ahead of expectations. Analysts currently rate their stock a strong buy, with an average upside of over 21%. We heard from XPO Logistics, who did miss on revenue but beat on earnings. They reported Q3 earnings per share of $1.45, which was 10 cents ahead of the estimates, while revenue of $3.04 billion fell 7% year-over-year and missed expectations by $60 million. They did deliver third quarter record operating income, though, which was up 65% year-over-year. Analysts currently rate their stock a strong buy, with an average upside of 35%. And Alliance Partner Resources, who missed on both earnings and revenue estimates. Their earnings per share of $1.25 was 22 cents shy of analyst estimates, while revenue of over $628 million rose 51% year-over-year, but was $42 million shy of analyst estimates. They currently just have one analyst rating from 10 days ago, coming in with a buy and an upside of 23%. Now let's take a look at which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by GameStop after the CEO of S3 Partners mentioned the possibility of another short squeeze in an interview with Yahoo Finance. Trading under the ticker GME, the stock is currently up 7.9%. They're followed by Wynn Resorts under WYNN up 6.4% and Ascendis Pharma under ASND up 5%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Petróleo Brasileiro after Brazil's presidential election. Trading under the ticker PBR, the stock is currently down 9%. They're followed by Companhia de Saneamento under SBS down 5.75% and Howmet Aerospace under HWM down 5.6%. So that is going to be everything for Monday's pre-market warning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. I couldn't bring myself to wear these for the whole video, but I will wear them at the end to wish you guys a happy Halloween. Stay safe out there tonight and have fun. If you made it to the end of today's video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a fantastic Monday, and I'll see you back here next time.